Hey, hello guys, Flash here with another video. I hope you guys have a fantastic day. And today we're going to discuss about a cryptocurrency on the Ethereum mainnet. I haven't done one of these in a long time, and now it should be pretty interesting. With that being said, let's get right into the video. Okay, so here on your website, Babyelon, kind of interesting. Scrolling down on the website, let's see. So it was a failed launch, no team tokens or pre-sale. They have bought tokens themselves. Total supply being of 1 trillion tokens. It has a distribution of 5% going back to holders. The 10% tax they have charged on all sales, and 1% of all is going to be burned. Okay, on the X tools, let's see the chart. It's been 17% down the last 24 hours with a total liquidity of $90,000. We can see the token was released on the 3rd of June. It's not that old, it's only 5 days old, and it had a peak, a very nice peak. The chart is looking very healthy. Also guys, so you guys, as I said before, are very early. There's only 745 holders at the moment, and the market cap is not that big. As this is not on the Binance Smart Chain, it's on the Ethereum mainnet, we're using UniSwap instead of PooCoin or PancakeSwap. So you need Ethereum in your wallet. After you have some Ethereum, go onto the website, click on get your Babyelon. It will redirect you to the UniSwap interface, where it's going to pop up like a token imported. Just click on import. After that, you have to select here Ethereum, put in whatever amount of Ethereum you want, so for Babyelon, and also click on this over here on the top on the settings. Put it on auto. If it doesn't work on auto, just put it the slippage tolerance on 12 or more percent. I'm going to put it on 13% just to be sure. And also after you put your Ethereum, so how much Ethereum you want to swap, make sure you put a dot and then 2 zeros, so it will work without any problems. After that, just confirm the swap. MetaMask will give you a nice notification. You can see the amount plus gas fees and click on confirm. As I highly suggest you guys going and joining the Telegram group as I did over here. I'm going to quickly say hello. They are talking over here about the project, everything, the price discussion, and everything else in between. So as I said before, I highly suggest you guys going and joining, as well as the Twitter page where they have 1,300 followers. So you guys are very early. Okay, we can see here on the Twitter they donated. So the Babyelon team is incredibly excited to share the first charitable donation of $1,266. This is very nice, very nice. The project is very small, but in the meantime, and they will get a lot of donations going on. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day, and I'll catch you into the next one. Please leave a like and subscribe.